Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to import contacts into ActiveCampaign on your PC so you can quickly add your audience and start managing your email marketing. First, log in to your ActiveCampaign account on your computer and go to the Contacts section. This is where all your contacts are stored and managed. Now click on Import Contacts and choose how you want to upload your data. You can upload a file like a CSV or import from another service. Next, select your file and upload it. Then you will need to map the fields. This means matching columns like email name and phone number to the correct fields in ActiveCampaign. Make sure everything is matched correctly so your data is organized properly. Once done, click Continue. You can also choose to add tags to your contacts during import. This helps you organize and filter your audience later. After reviewing everything, click Import, and your contacts will be added to your account. Importing contacts helps you build your audience faster, stay organized, and start using email campaigns more effectively. And that is it. Now you know how to import contacts into ActiveCampaign on PC. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.